Alright, this is the most protected park I've ever seen for a little baseball, soccer park. This is like a border fence. And then you see the bridge that people cross over to get into America or go over to Mexico. This said it to be a park, so I guess I can just walk in. There's a little bit of a line. I'll try to focus when I get in here. Yeah, it's just this open field. Maybe if I can get into some shade here. And you can see, yeah, people are walking and driving in. It's quite a line. You could just drive right up to the border, I guess. There's no signs warning of anything. You just walk up and take a look at the Rio Grande. They got quite a fence though. They must lock down every so often for whatever reasons. Nobody's here right now. This might be the most tense park. It's not easy to just casually hang out in. Yeah, you got Border Patrol. So they might be watching me or something. I think I'm going to be getting watched. The most tense park. You got Border Patrol watching it. There's probably cameras in every... I don't see any cameras. Maybe just people watching. I have a feeling you're not going to be seeing any homeless people sleeping in this park. This is probably quite a heavily patrolled. And I see a boat dock, a boat launch, but there's no like boating instructions. But there's a boat launch. You know, it could be possible they shoot across the border at people here. I wonder. That's a little scary. I don't know why they would, what they hope to gain. Just terrorizing, creating terror across the border. This is the line, this river. And they got some kind of a description here. Boat ramp. Federal. Okay. Huh. You just walk around. It's about 3:30. No discriminate time. I don't know. Oh, there's a golf course. I was thinking maybe I'll just walk up to the bridge and have a look. Simple, short walk from the library. There's a Mexican on the other side hanging out. Let's see if I can... So, I mean, this probably watched pretty good, but you could just look at Mexico. I think this is a stadium, Venados. They got lights in a wall. The water looks pretty clean. The Rio Grande. There's people standing around on the Mexican side looking at America. See if I can... Yeah. kind of looking into the sun. So the bridge is mostly on the American side. As far as, yeah, I mean, the way it's set up, it looks like it's mostly on the American side. And they got people golfing right on the coast of the river. One of the most significant rivers. It's like, it feels kind of intense because of the tensions on the border. Some Mexicans walking. It feels a little tense. Get into some shade so I can look up a little bit. Yeah. See, there's a sign that welcomes people to Mexico. I could just hop on this bridge, walk on over, and then I wouldn't be able to get back because I can't prove I'm an American. Alright, and then you can follow this road. It's a pretty high bridge. Yeah, like these guys are just hanging out on this side of the road. They look like regular folk. You can do that, but they're on like the golf course. I don't know why they don't hang out more in the park area. Alright, so I'm just heading to the gate here, see how the road is. It's out of curiosity. Look at this though, this place is empty. They gotta work pretty hard to keep up appearances near the entryway. But look at this is another business that's down. You can't, they don't have any business there. There's some business, but you can only have particular type. International Bridge 1. Illegal to carry firearms, ammunition into Mexico. Penalty is just prison. I guess it's not too busy. Wow. You got this guy, this business that's for rent too. Nothing going on in there. 2 air conditioning units. And they put them kind of low. Alright, so they got a bridge to drive out, and then they separate coming in with this like inspection station thing. Let me just... And they charge, oh, I don't know, $19.20 for something. I kind of like this name. Muebleria. It'd be kind of amusing to see Canadians traveling in droves to the Mexican border and trying to sneak across to get into South America as the opposites of what's going on. Dios mío, es muy caliente. So I'm thinking I'd like some kind of device that allows me to play SD cards, because I got the drone, I got the cop cam. I'd be interested in being able to put the SD card into something to play those videos and watch them outside of using the laptop. And also I want the device to be able to replace my iPod to fly the drone This Samsung S9, I downloaded the program, the DJI Mavic Pro 4 app, and it's crashed or it doesn't work. Maybe that was a couple of months ago. Maybe I'll try that again, but it's like the only app that consistently can work for the drone is an Apple product, the iPod, but that battery only lasts 5 minutes. That battery is toast. I don't want to get an iPhone just to fly. I would want some kind of a dual thing where I can, because you can't put any SD card into the iPhone as far as I know. So Apple product could be great for flying, but it's not great for an SD card. But the Android they usually have an SD card slot, but the apps just don't seem to work for flying the drone, so I'm in a bit of a bind. Having a channel called my name, Travis Hines, really makes sense, since I'm constantly promoting myself when I have interactions with cops and they want to know who I am. I tell them I have no problem, and in a way, for YouTube videos, I'm promoting myself with cops. And when people mirror my videos, they'll hear me promoting myself, telling my name on these mirror videos on other people's channels. So why should I go after these people if they're promoting me and letting me say my name? Pretty much, I'm promoting myself on other people's channels. All right, so I got the cover for this milk. Just goes over the top, and now I got the idea, because I'm tired of it being lifted up. I don't have anything on the bottom. I think I'm gonna get another roll, if I could find it, of this type of material, and I'm gonna crochet a bottom to go up as high as I can. So it's gonna need to go over this material. It's gonna need to be pretty tight. Maybe I'll make it like as tight as the jug, and then it'll be nice and tight against this fabric. Right now I'm using this plastic bag as a bottom. It offers no insulation, but at least when I stuff it in here, it's not riding up so quickly as easily. So I think I want to crochet a bottom, and then that'll solve the bottom issue. 2 pieces. Alright, so between Lowe's and Walmart, there's a nice dead-end road here for parking on the side, and they're discouraging truck and RV parking. But I could park my car then. I mean, they just had abuses from trucks and RVs. Nobody's here now. They don't want trucks, so they're making room for me. So I guess I could move my car away from, or out of the parking lot, park down to the end here. I was coming over to Lowe's because I want to get more string to crochet for my milk jug. I didn't think they'd have a road in between though. I didn't notice that. That's why you got to walk around. I like this. I think I could get away with it for overnight parking. I just park here all day and all night. Should be fine. So that mason line that I got was not cheap, but I got it for free. So I guess it's kind of a discount if I buy some to finish out my project. It's good stuff. Alright, I got another 64. The fast speed's 170. Average is like 100. 170 is pretty fast. And I'm just going to keep it in with the drone. Put it on the bottom. And then that might make it a little easier to switch back and forth. Common practice to put rebar in the curb. It's all broken and exposed. I never thought of curbs having rebar. It's kind of strange.